video on this wig. Excuse me, y'all. I've been kind of, But today we're doing a hair review on this Amazon wig. When I tell y'all, baby, get into it. Get into it. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah. Yeah. We're not going to do too much talking. We about to get straight into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I got this color, etc., 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 how the wig quality is. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, press that notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos from me. And comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this look. Do y'all like it? Are y'all feeling it? Like, let me know. So they sent me a 20-inch curly wig. I'm going to make sure I link the exact wig down below in the description. So that way you guys can just click straight on it and go straight to the wig. Okay, so this is the wig, you guys, in its natural state before I dyed it and all that. The hairline was kind of harsh. You know, I've seen better hairlines, but in the end, you guys will see what the end process will look like. But one thing I did like about this is that the lace was transparent, so therefore any skin tone can literally wear this wig. Y'all know I'm white, so I need that transparent lace. I have literally no color to me, so that's one thing I did love about the wig. And I also love that it had like 3 or 4 clips, so that way it can hold onto your head really tight. And I love the fact that it actually fit my head, like the lace literally went from ear to ear, and that's very unnormal for me because my head is huge. So normally wigs be too small, but this was like the perfect fit. They also sent me some goodies in my package, some lashes, and like this little mirror thing, and a wig cap, of course. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. In this video, I only used 3 packages of this Quick Blue bleaching, and then I used the 40 developer. Okay, you guys, so I went in with my 40 developer. So with this, you want this consistency to be like a little runny. You don't want it to be thick because I'm doing like a bleach bath. So I'm just pouring the developer and the bleach in there, and then I'm mixing it up to see the consistency, and I wanted it really loose. So I did add a cup of like hot water, and then I add a little more developer just because I want it to be runny. You know what I'm saying? So it'll get through the whole wig. Because this is a bleach bath, you guys. This was me adding like half a cup of water. This is the consistency that you want, you guys. You want a really loose consistency. Okay, you guys. So in this clip, this is me just dumping the wig in there. You do want to make sure you're like, really getting that bleach everywhere. Like, because you don't want to miss any spots and have black spots, So you just want to make sure you're really getting in there, mixing it, even if you have to brush it with a brush. Do what you got to do to get that bleach all up and through there. When I started brushing this with the brush, I'm really surprised that this wig did not start shedding, just because, we have like this conception that we think like wigs on Amazon is like cheap and not good quality, but this wig is actually pretty good quality. All right, you guys, so this is like 20 minutes in. I'm about to go ahead and give this a wash because that's pretty bright for me. That's, I don't really want it too bright because I still want to keep a little brown in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a watch and we'll be back. Honestly, like, this is the color that I wanted and I am in love. And this was literally only 20 minutes with the bleach. Like, it turned out really good. Like, it isn't too brassy. It's like the perfect gold brown. Yes. So this is all the shedding, y'all, from the wig. And that's from like the bleach and everything. I'm actually pretty impressed. This is me just brushing through the wig to show you guys that the quality is still there. And I am obsessed because it looks so good. Now I'm going in and plucking that hairline. Y'all, you have to pluck the hairline. Like, what is you doing, sis? If you don't pluck the hairline, then I don't know what you're doing. But it turned out great. It's so crazy to me because I've never worn like this color or this length or this pattern, honestly. But it looks pretty good. Like, I plucked the lace pretty good. So we about to go ahead and get into this install. I'm not going to record this whole thing, but I'll get a little bit of it. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, so this is the lace. It blends pretty good with the skin. So the lace was transparent, so that's a good thing. So any skin tone, brown, white, you know, any skin tone can go with this lace. But we finna lay these baby hairs. Let's get into the pros and cons about the wig. The pros is that it took really good. Like the color took really, really good. I was actually surprised. Honestly, there isn't too many cons about this wig. Like I'm just being honest. You guys know I only do honest reviews. So one thing I will say though about this wig, it was kind of thin, but for me personally, like I don't really like short wigs. I either like short wigs or I like long wigs. But like a 20-inch is kind of like in between. It's like an awkward length for me. I don't know. I just never really been into a 20-inch. But I'm loving this look. Like, I don't know. I'm loving this look. It looks real natural. So I don't really have any complaints about this wig, honestly. As you guys can see in the video, how much that it shed. So it didn't really shed. Like the quality is pretty good. Like the curl holds. Honestly, I'm shocked for an Amazon wig, and I'm shocked for like the quality. Honestly, like I'm like truth be told, I'm kind of shocked. Just because the lace was really good. So that's like the most important things about a wig is the lace and the quality to me. And both of those, they got a 9 out of 10 for me today. So, yeah. Get into it. Yeah. And y'all, I think this wig is on Amazon Prime. Because this wig came fast, baby. I mean, this wig came super fast. I'm talking 2 days fast. So I think this wig is on Amazon Prime. So that's another pro. As you guys can see, the wig is not in its natural state. I did add heat to it. I did wand curl it. So you guys know it's definitely heat ready. And like I said, there isn't really any shedding in this wig. So I don't really have any complaints on this wig, honestly. Like I said, it could have been more thicker, but I mean, thinner kind of comes with shorter wigs anyway. So that wasn't really too big of a problem. Plus, I added volume into the wig. So, yeah. Get into it. Yeah. I'm loving this color. I don't know what it is about this color, but every time I do this color, I just... Fire. So, what I'm going to rate this wig is probably a 9 out of 10. If it was thicker, honestly, it could have got a 10 for me. It definitely could have got a 10 for me. Because everything else was weighing out pretty good. All the other pros and cons was weighing out pretty good equally. So, yeah. So if you guys are looking for a non-affordable, if you guys are looking for a affordable wig that's going to come to you quick and that's pretty good quality, I highly recommend this company. And like I said, I'm going to make sure I link it down below so you guys can click straight into the link. And, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos from me. And go follow me on Instagram so y'all can see these pics that I'm finna drop, you know. Go follow me on IG if you're not already. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.